Hi, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Smiley Sushi. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing great. I didn't want to put makeup just to remove her this video, so I'm not applying any makeup. I'm so sorry. By the title of this video, you have probably already guessed what I'm doing. I just recently ordered this peel off mask. Was it even visible to you guys? Was it in focus? Anyways, it's called activated charcoal purifying peel off mask. It looks like this. The product is just 50 grams, guys. Like, this looks so much, but inside I don't think it has that much of a product in it. So yeah, that is there. Anyway, so now I'm gonna prep my skin. So mainly I have whiteheads over this area as well as only this nostril, because I wear nose pin in that. Because of that, only this part has whiteheads, and this side doesn't have any whiteheads. Can you see it? It doesn't have any whiteheads. So yeah, I'm gonna remove my nose pin. Here is a mirror, guys, that's why I'm looking down here. Sorry about that. Guys, let me know in the comment down below, do you want to see my skincare routine or my haul that I recently bought? All of my skincare routine stuff, because पुराने वाले खत्म हो गए थे. I finished them all. They are done, so I bought them again. So let me know in the comment down below if you want to see that. So first thing I'm gonna do is clean my face with a wet wipe. I literally have nothing. Oh god, I can't even. It's baking soda, sorry. I'm just gonna apply over here and nowhere else, because if you have any tingling feeling because of this, I would highly recommend just wash that. Very runny. Oh my god, why is it so runny? Okay, hurry. Now I'm gonna wait till this dries up. It's super quick to dry. I don't know why. I have seen the videos and they take a few minutes to dry, but this is drying real quick. And as you can see, guys, I can't talk unless I'm holding my lips like this. So this is sorry guys, actually what happened was my camera died on me, and just amazing. I know Anyway, so now that I've removed the whole pack from my face, I'm applying toner. Can you see the redness though? This was the first time I applied a peel off mask and my face has gone completely red, and all this texture which I didn't have has appeared. I'm not gonna get scared because of that, because this was the first time I have applied and removed all of my fine hairs from my face, so it can be the result. I'm gonna keep you updated, guys, if I have any allergic reaction or there's some other kind of reaction about it. But now I'm applying Joey's natural whitening serum. By the way, guys, I'm recording on my mobile right now. I'm applying this 3 pumps this serum all over my face. The areas where I had whiteheads was this and this. When I'm applying the serum, it's tingling a little bit there. Face looks horrible right now. Oh my god. Angle is not flattering, I know that. I look hideous. Maybe because I'm not wearing specs or something. I don't know. Anyways, that's a good thing that I can't see myself in the viewfinder because of the ring light I have right now. I DIY'd, by the way. I'm such a penny teacher, I can't even. So anyways, guys, this is the look. This is after a while. My skin has calmed down, even though you can see a little bit of redness. That's natural. I have pink undertone skin. In even my hands, you can see the veins. They are green, so I have warm undertone. This is a good product if you know how to use it. If not, then you're gonna mess up a lot. It's very runny, and this was the first time I have ever tried a peel off mask. Not only black mask or charcoal mask, peel off anything. Basically, this was the first time I have used it, and I quite liked it. My skin feels good, soft. All my fine hairs on my face were removed. I'm not gonna lie, nothing else came out apart from a little bit here and here. All I can see on the sheet was hair, nothing else. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna stop rambling, or else I'm gonna talk for like 1 hour or something. And don't forget to click that like button and subscribe and comment down below. Do you like this kind of review videos? This is my honest review, really, guys. If you know how to use this product, then go for it. If you don't know, then just watch my video and learn what not to do if you're doing this for first time. Be happy, be beautiful, be yourself, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.